In this class, we are looking at multiplication of matrix also, but we are looking at conformable multiplication. I said we have two types of multiplication of matrix, scalar multiplication and conformable multiplication. In our previous classes, I've looked at scalar multiplication. So in this class, I'm looking at the second type of multiplication of matrix, which is conformable multiplication. So what is conformable multiplication? This is when the row of the first matrix is being multiplied by the column of the second matrix. The row of the first matrix is being multiplied by the column of the second matrix. Let's do these examples. Given that P is equal to this one and Q is equal to this, what is PQ? So you have PQ should be equal to 1, 4, 2 minus 3. Then Q is 5, is 0, 6, 1. So my answer now, to get what will be here, to get what the value that will be here, this row will multiply this column. How do I mean? 1 will times this, 4 will times this. I will say 1 times 5 plus 4 times 6. If I say 1 times 5, that will be 5 plus 4 times 6, that is 24. So if I add together, this place will be 29. Then to get what will be in this place now, this same first row will multiply the second column. First row now will multiply the second column. That will be 1 times 0, that is 0, plus 4 times 1, that is 4. If I add together, this place now will be 4. So to get what will be here now, this second row will multiply this first column. That is 2 times that is 2 times 5, that's 10, plus 3 times minus 3 times 6, that's plus minus 18. So you have 10 minus 18, plus times minus is minus, then 10 minus 18, that will give me minus 8 here. So to get what is here, this second row will still multiply everything here. So I have 2 times 0 is 0, plus minus 3 times 1, that is minus 3. You have 0 minus 3, plus times minus is minus 3. That will give me minus 3. So this is 2 by 2 multiplication, and it's an example of conformable multiplication. The same thing applies to 3 by 3 matrix. So let's look at this 3 by 3 matrix. Given that M is this and N is this, find Mn. So my Mn should now be equal to 5, 1. We will have 1, 4 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 4, 5 is 0, 1, multiplied by 3 minus 1, 2, 4, 1 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 5. So the same thing I did here is what I'm still going to do in this case now. I will use this row to multiply this column. This row multiply this column. This row will multiply this column. So I'll do it for the others also. So now you have this supposed to give me now. So if I start with this, I will have something like this. Let me be doing it here so that you can see it clearly. So this row now multiply this column. That will be 3 times 1 times 3. That will give me 3. 4 times 4. That is 16 plus 16 minus 3 times 2. That is minus 6. So if I add everything together, this is 19 minus 6. That will give me 19 minus 6. That will be 13. So to get what will be in this place now, this first row will now multiply this second column also. So that will be 1 times minus 1, that's minus 1. 4 times 1, that's plus 4. Then minus 3 times minus 3, that's plus 9. So minus 1 plus 4, that's 3. 3 plus 9, that's 12. So I will have 12 in this case. Then to get what will be in this third place now, this first row will still multiply this. So that will be 1 times 2, that's 2. 4 times minus 3, that's minus 12. Then minus 3 times 15, that's minus 3 times 5, that's minus 15. So you have 2 minus 15, 2 minus 12, that's minus 10. Then minus 15, that's minus 25. So I've gotten everything that will be in the first row. Now let's go to the second row. To get what is going to be here, I'll use this to multiply everything here. So that will be 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Minus 3 times 4, that's minus 12. 4 times 2, that's plus 8. So 6 minus 12, that's minus 6. Minus 6 plus 8, that's 2. So this place will be 2. Then to get what will be here, I will still use this second row to multiply this second row. So that will be 2 times minus 1, that's minus 2. Minus 3 times 1, that's minus 3. Then 4 times minus 3, that's minus 12. So you have minus 3, minus 2 minus 5, minus 17. So that will be minus 17, that will be here. So to get what is going to be here, this second row will still multiply everything here now. So in that case, I will have 2 times 2, 4. Minus 3 times minus 3, that's plus 9. Then 4 times 5, that's plus 20. So if I add this and this together, this is 13 plus this one, that's 33. So what is going to be here will be 33. So that's how you multiply matrix. If you try to complete the last one, use this third row to multiply this first row. This third row multiply this second row. This third row multiply this third column to get what you said. Try and solve it. Drop the answer in the comment section so I can see that you understand multiplication of matrix, conformable multiplication.